Everybody's doing my name is Raja B, and today I am gonna wait, I'm at home. Let's wake up first before to get out from the bed. Okay, I'm hugging it. No, sorry, I'm lying down because I'm okay, we're just hugging right now, so be right back.
So give it to me. Give it to me.
Hey, don't show me.
Show us. Show them. Walkie. Look, walkie. Look.
Hey, don't do that. So, I want some fan mail. Give me some fan mail. If you can one of my friends, and you could write like Dear John Bass or Dear Elijah B or Dear Elijah. But sorry about guys, because I'm lying down. I asked my papa first if I could get out now. Papa. So guys, give me some fan mail. And I'm like it. Guys like just like interesting things here. And y'all guys give me some fan mail. If you guys can give me some fan mail, even when not only one fan mail and only a few, it's okay because I'm gonna make a fan mail video, even though if it's only like fan mail. But I don't like fan mail because it's really cool, and I wish I made Cookies Will See and Fast Food Toy. There's plenty of fan mail, but Cookies Will See and like girl stuff, and Fast Food Toy is for both girls and boys. So they got 1 minute, so that's all. Bye and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 3 of Give Me Some Fan Mail, the last part.